Hey everyone! Today I'm taking you on a breathtaking journey inside the womb to see how a baby develops during the first trimester, all in stunning animation. No real people, just pure anatomy and physiology, up close and in 4K. Let's start at the very beginning, fertilization. This is where a single sperm meets an egg, and together they form a zygote, the very first cell of a new human being. Within just a few hours, this tiny cell starts dividing, doubling, and doubling again. It travels down the fallopian tube, heading towards the uterus, dividing into a cluster called a blastocyst. By the end of week 1, the blastocyst burrows into the soft lining of the uterus. Here it finds nourishment and safety, the perfect place to grow. The animation shows a cross-section, cells rapidly multiplying, placenta forming, embryo forming. Now let's zoom in on week 3. Here's where things get really interesting. The embryo starts to organize into 3 layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Each layer has a special job. The ectoderm will become the nervous system skin, the mesoderm forms the heart muscles bones, the endoderm creates the gut lungs. By week 4, the heart begins to beat, tiny rhythmic pulses. You can see the forming heart tube in the animation, pumping blood for the very first time. The neural tube, which will become the brain spinal cord, starts to close. Limbs look like little buds, and the embryo is just a few millimeters long. Fast forward to week 8. The embryo is now called a fetus. Organs are taking shape. The face starts to appear. Eyes, nose, mouth forming. Fingers, toes start to separate. The animation highlights these tiny, intricate changes, showing just how much happens in such a short time. By the end of the first trimester, at 12 weeks, the baby is about the size of a plum. All major organs are in place, and the body is recognizable. Head, arms, legs, little fingernails. It's amazing how much happens in just 3 months. From a single cell to a fully formed fetus, the first trimester is a whirlwind of growth and transformation. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey inside the womb. If you want to see more amazing 3D anatomy animations, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. See you next time.